Hello everyone, Felix here, your realtor with the Capitolo Brothers Real Estate Group. And today I have a very lovely and well-kept home for you right here in the heart of Richmond. So let me show you what Tiffany Grand has for you. Welcome to Unit 112, where here you'll find 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms in this spacious home of almost 1,200 square feet. Perfect for downsizers and those growing their family. Need outdoor space? Well, let me lead you to your private 200 square foot patio for you to enjoy with your friends, family, or pets. Finally, when it comes to this complex, put your mind at ease as the building is already fully rain-screened with upgrades to the cladding, windows, and plumbing system. If this is the right home for you, make sure to give me a call. I'll be right here waiting. And as always, thanks for stopping by.